Kyntronics Servo Power Unit System redundancy demonstration with removal of one SPU. This system is designed to allow removal of one or more SPUs from the main bank. The first step in removal of one of the servo power units is to lock out that power unit from the main manifold, which is done by rotating these 6 valves counterclockwise. Remove all cabling from the motor, including the fan connector. Now secure the servo power unit onto a lift as you see here. Next, remove the 6 fasteners that are holding the servo power unit onto the main manifold. Now remove the servo power unit from the main manifold. The servo power unit bank will still operate with the unit removed, as you can see here. Please contact Kyntronics for more information.